Bro, I have such a cool makeup look planned. It's gonna be so cool that if you don't like it, clearly something's wrong with you. Because clearly I could never do anything wrong. You know, it's gotta be you. Okay, obviously kidding because I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. It's ugly. That's gonna be kind of pathetic of me to say. Picking up this shade from the Daybreak palette by LH Cosmetics. It's gonna be going around this area. It's like this gorgeous duochrome. On a more serious note, I am like not that great with makeup. I don't have the best finesse, but like what I am is good at fixing my mistakes. When I first started doing makeup, I had so many disastrous looks and I would have to wipe my whole face off and start all over. And obviously that's not much fun. But there are certain ways to fix it. For instance, I blended this too high, not by design, but it happened. But I know it's fixable. I'm just using a lighter color to buff that into. There's so much footage that I have to cut because I screw up things. But I do think it is a great reminder. Things aren't always as they seem. And I really think I should get into the habit of showcasing the whole process a bit more. Let's do red. Yeah, that's the one. And here's the final glam. I love it! I know I say that a lot, but like, hello? I would do me. Tune in for more weirdness some other day.